So let's unbox something. If you didn't know, a lot of the movie theaters have storefront websites. So the specialty popcorn buckets, cups, and everything that they sell randomly, you can buy that stuff online. If you didn't know that. So I bought some stuff. Very excited. It's all covered up though. Oh, you can remove this. Oh. It's so freaking pretty. So pretty. Has Legolas on the side. Can't really see it. So pretty. All right, next one. Oh, the bottom got a little damaged, but that's okay because it's still protected. It's just not sitting upright. This one I think I can actually just pull out. So pretty. They're collectible goblets. I don't even know why they were selling these on the website, but they were. But I randomly go and check because when horror movie stuff comes out, I like to buy it. I'm also huge, huge, huge Lord of the Rings and Hobbit fan. Look at that detail. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. I guess this mug, they had a Sauron one. It's so cool, but I didn't see this on the website. Oh, okay. So they have a website that you can go to. Right there. So I might have to go get that one. Eventually. Super broke right now. Obviously. Aren't they so pretty? I can get this one out. Wow. That one, the box was destroyed, so it was really easy to pop out. I don't want to, break the box. I don't know, I'm a big in the box person, but I also like using stuff that is meant to be used. Like, I would put my beer in these, but they're also so pretty that I don't want to. So pretty. They're just so gorgeous. Yeah. I think maybe this one's really heavy compared to the other one. So I think when it was moving around, see how it's ripped up right there? Not a big deal because it's still in really good condition. It doesn't look broken anywhere. And the protective covers did a good job because I can tell this one got moved around a lot on the inside. But yes, I love them. So if you didn't know, I bought them from the Regal storefront website. Regal had them. But like I said, they have a website. nemesisnow.com. I have to go. Anyway, thank you for hanging out with me while I unbox these 3 things that I've had in a box for a while now. I was waiting until I moved into my new house, which I did. So, more content, Lord have mercy, to come. I hope you have a good day.